Today, I'll be showing you how to install a spoiler on a BMW. I'll be doing this install on an M4, but the process is basically the same on all of them. I ordered my spoiler on Amazon. I do have a link for it in the description. Unlike spoilers I bought for previous cars I owned, this one comes pre-taped, but I recommend adding some additional tape to it in between where the current tape is. For this install, you need a microfiber towel and something to clean the spoiler and trunk with. I used rubbing alcohol. 70% rubbing alcohol is recommended. You can slightly dilute with water if it's higher like mine is. Optional items are a box cutter or blade to peel the plastic off the adhesive tape, blue tape to keep the spoiler in place and apply pressure right after you install it, and a heat gun to warm the tape before you install the spoiler. After unboxing the spoiler, I always like to do a little test fit to get an idea of how the placement will look when I actually put it on the car. But after that's done, you want to start by cleaning both the trunk and spoiler with your microfiber and some rubbing alcohol. The rubbing alcohol helps eliminate residue while also evaporating quickly. After it's all cleaned up, you can remove the plastic covering the adhesive. I want to note that although I didn't get it in the video, I did end up adding an extra strip of adhesive in the middle too, just in case the outer tape isn't enough. Once the tape is peeled off, you can use a heat gun if you want to warm it a bit before you install it. I do this because I live in a cooler climate. After all the prep work is done, you just make sure everything lines up and stick it on. It does help to have two people here, but I have done this install on two of my cars with no help. The key is to get the edges and corners to line up perfectly on both sides. After you get that done, then apply some pressure on all parts of the spoiler. And I recommend you use some blue painter's tape to keep the spoiler in place and keep pressure applied. And that is it. Link to everything I used in the video description. Go check it out, and thank you for watching.